In the last class, we just started the arithmetic progression and we discussed some general ideas about the chapter, correct? What do you mean by common difference and how to we write the arithmetic sequence and what is the general form of an arithmetic sequence as like this, correct? And we know now how to we identify the common difference and we know how to write the arithmetic sequence if we know the first term and common difference. Next we are discussing the very important part of the chapter, that one is nth term of an AP. Okay, nth term of an AP, then we writing here, if we know the first term and the common difference of an AP, if the first term of an AP is equal to A and a common difference is equal to D, then we know how to we write the arithmetic sequence. The arithmetic sequence, first term is equal to A, correct? Then we write the arithmetic sequence A is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Correct? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Then we know how to be denoting the first term, second term and third term. We are denoting the term like this: A1, A2, A3, etc. up to AN. Correct? The AN means the last term, the nth term of an AP. Here we are discussing about the nth term. Then how to we find the nth term of an AP? That is an idea we are discussing now. Then just be listen here. Then how to? The arithmetic sequence is like this: is the first term is an A and the common difference is D. We are writing the arithmetic sequence A. We starting from the first term. Then first term plus the common difference, that one is the second term, and second term plus again the common difference, that means we adding 2 times the common difference to the first term, then you get the third term, correct? Then here is very clear, A1 first term, we are denoting the first term by the letter A1. A1 is equal to A, correct? A1 is equal to A. Then what is A2? A2 is equal to A plus D. That means for getting the second term, how many times we add the common difference to the first term? We adding only 1 times. We finding the second term, okay, second term A2, we adding 1 time the common difference, okay. Then we find the third term A3, how many times we add the common difference to the first term? That is A plus 2D, correct? A plus 2D. We are writing the third term of an arithmetic sequence. Third term A3, we add how many times? 2 times the common difference. For to write the A3, we add the common difference 2 times. മൂന്നാമത്തെ ടേം കാണാൻ നമ്മൾ കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേമിനോട് എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യമാണ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? 2 പ്രാവശ്യം. Okay, then if you need to write the fourth A4 fourth term, how many times we add common difference to the first term? Yes, as like this, it's a second term we adding 1 time, third term we adding 2 times. Then for to write the fourth term, how many times we add? Yes, A plus 3D 3 times. അല്ലേ, നാലാമത്തെ ടേം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ നമ്മൾ കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസ് എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യം ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം? യെസ്, 3 times. Then as like this, if you find the seventh term, how many times we add common difference to the A? Yes, fourth term 3 times, third term 2 times, second terms 1 times. Then for find the seventh term, now is very clear, we add common difference 6 times to A plus 60, correct? Then as like this, etc. How to we write the nth term AN? Then is very clear, we need to add the common difference. How many times? Yes, just we subtract 1 to the n. Correct? Is 7 times. ഏഴാമത്തെ ടേം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ നമ്മൾ 6 പ്രാവശ്യം ഡി ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. 6 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 7 minus 1. If we find the fourth term, we add the common difference 3 times to the first term. 3 പ്രാവശ്യം ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം common difference ഏതിനോട്? first terminode. What is 3? 3 is 4 minus 1. Then here for finding the third term, we adding 2 times d to the first term. Then what? Okay, then what is 2? 2 is 3 minus 1. As like this, for finding the nth term, an, how many times we add the common difference? Yes? How many times we add the common difference? N minus 1 times to first term. So the equation for find the nth term of an AP is a plus n minus 1 into d. Then what is the nth term of an AP? The nth term of an AP is denoting by the letter an. An is equal to, what is the equation to find the an? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so that means what is an? An is called the nth term. The nth term means if we need to find a term in a particular position, a term in a particular position, that position is denoting by the letter n. That means if we need to find the 12th term, okay, that 12 is denoting by the letter n. That means we finding there a12. Then how to find a12? Then a12 is equal to, we add common difference how many times? We add a plus, what is n? N is 12. 12 minus 1 into d. That means how many times we add? We add 11 times d to the first term. That one is a12. Okay, if we need to find a30, 30, then what is it? How do we get the a30? A30 is equal to a plus how many times? 30 minus 1 d. 30 minus 1 means 29d. We need to add there 29d common difference to the first term. Okay, then an is called the nth term of an AP. An is called nth term of an AP, and an is called the last term is of an AP, the nth term or the last term. And an is also called the general form of an AP. Okay, what are? An is the nth term of an AP. Ideas are same, but we call it different ways. Nth term of an AP. In particular, some situation we choose as is an last term of an AP. Okay, or is a general form of an AP. Okay? The general form of a terms of an AP is equal to an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the general form of a terms of an AP? That is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That means if you substitute n is equal to 1, then you get the first term. If you substitute n is equal to 2, then you get second term. If you substitute n is equal to 3, then you get third term, as like this. It's possible to find is possible to make the AP for finding the terms like this. So an is called the general form of an AP. Some situation, how do we call it as? We call it as a last term of an AP. Okay, or nth term of an AP. Nth term means this equation we use to find some particular some particular position term. Okay, 29th term, 30th term, like that, some particular position. If we need to find the term of some particular position, we use this one. That is why we call it as nth term of an AP. Okay, that is a very important. This then equation, only the equation we use equation to related the terms of an AP. APൻ്റെ ടേമുമായി റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഒരേ ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻ നമുക്ക് പഠിക്കാനുള്ളൂ. അതാണ് ഇത് an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The nth term is denoting by other letter, the small letter L also. The small letter L also denoting by the nth term of an AP or the last term of an AP or the general form of an AP. Okay, then we have only one equation related to the terms of an AP. That one is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A means the first term, d means the common difference, n is the position of the term. Okay, now we know the idea what is the general form of an AP or nth term of an AP, correct? Then we have the different application, the different type of application of the same equation an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The next we are discussing the question based on the arithmetic progression. Then before that I have to inform you the type of question, the ways for asking the question is the different kinds in this chapter. Okay, but the basic ideas are same, but the ways of asking is different. That is the main problem for this question. You have the different possibilities for asking the questions here. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ ചോദിക്കുന്ന രീതിക്ക് ഒരുപാട് വ്യത്യാസങ്ങളുണ്ടാകും. ചോദിക്കുന്നതൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്നതും കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നതൊക്കെ ഏതാണ്ട് ഒരുപോലെ തന്നെയായിരിക്കും, പക്ഷേ അത് ചോദിക്കുന്ന മെത്തേഡും ചോദിക്കുന്ന രീതിക്ക് ഒരുപാട് വ്യത്യാസങ്ങളുണ്ടാകും. വ്യത്യാസപ്പെടുത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് ചോദിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു ചാപ്റ്ററാണ് ഇത് അരിത്മെറ്റിക് പ്രോഗ്രഷൻ. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് മക്കളെ ചെയ്യാനുള്ള കാര്യമെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് യു മസ്റ്റ് പ്രാക്ടീസ് വെൽ ഇൻ ദിസ് ചാപ്റ്റർ. ഓക്കെ, ഒരുപാട് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ തന്നെ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്തെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് അരിത്മെറ്റിക് പ്രോഗ്രഷൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആയിട്ട് നല്ലൊരു ടച്ച് ഉണ്ടാവണം. ഓക്കെ, അതർവൈസ് വി കാൺ ഹാൻഡിൽ ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ബേസ്ഡ് ഓൺ ദ ചാപ്റ്റർ. Okay, so we discuss some more ideas. We have the many questions in the textbooks also, some other we will get the question from other outside also. Then you must collect and practice well. Clear? Then we go the first application type of the same equation an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into that is this one is the direct application. The question is like this: find the 10th term of the AP 2, 7, 12 etc. Then here is very clear what is the question are. The question asks to find the term in a particular position. ഒരു പ്രത്യേക പൊസിഷനിലുള്ള ടേം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. What is that? The 10th. Then here the question asks to find the term in 10th, correct? Term 10th പൊസിഷനിലുള്ള ടേം ഏതാണ് ഈ എ പിയിലെ? ഇത് എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 10ാമത് വരുന്ന ടേം ഏതായിരിക്കും എന്നാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പറഞ്ഞത്. സോ ദിസ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഓഫ് ദ ഇക്വേഷൻ an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then if we need to find a term in a particular position, we apply the equation an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the general form. Okay, so we writing first what is the general form of an equation. The general form of an AP, the general form of an AP is equal to an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then what are we know? We know the a. What is that? 2. Then a is equal to 2. Correct. Then we don't know now the d. What is possible to find because is the sequence is given, the progression is given. Then how do we get the d? D is equal to second term minus first term or third term minus second term. Correct? So here is very clear. D is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Then now we got the value of a and d. Then what is the value of n? The n is denoting the position of the term. n എന്താണ് കാണിക്കുന്നത്? ഏത് പൊസിഷനിലുള്ള ടേം ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്? ആ പൊസിഷൻ ആണ്, ആ പൊസിഷൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ ആണ് ഏതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ? n-ൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ. So here the question asks to find the 10th term, correct? To find the 10th term. So n is equal to 10. Then we substitute. Therefore a, we finding the 10th term, so a10. നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്ന എത്രാമത്തെ ടേം ആണ്? 10th ടേം ആണ്. So a10 an means a10 is equal to a plus means 2 plus 10 minus 1 into d, then 2 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 5, then 2 plus 9 into 5 is 45, so 47. Therefore, A10, the 10th term of an AP is equal to 47. Okay, as like this is possible to find term with any position if we know the first term and common difference. നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേമും കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസും അറിയാമെങ്കിൽ ഇതുപോലെ ഒരു എ പിയുടെ ഏത് പൊസിഷനിലുള്ള ടേമും കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ ഏത് പൊസിഷനിലെ ടേമാണോ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പറഞ്ഞത് ആ പൊസിഷൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ ആയിരിക്കും ഏതിന് വരിക, എന്നിന് കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത്. Okay, I think you got it the idea first one. Now we got it the idea how to apply the equation an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d to find the a term with fixed position, a term in a fixed position, correct? Then we have many application of the same equation. Then the direct application as like this also we, not only this one, is a one other idea to apply this equation as like this. In an AP, d is equal to minus 3, an is equal to minus 5, n is equal to 18. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. Okay, it's a direct question. Here is given the common difference d, the last term an, and the number of terms 18, and the question asks to find the first term of an AP. Okay, then to remember one thing, the an and n are different. Okay, an is denoting term, n is a number of terms. അതിൻ്റെ ടേംസിൻ്റെ എണ്ണമാണ് ഏത്, n. an എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ പൊസിഷനിലുള്ള ടേമിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഏതുകൊണ്ട് ഡിനോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, an കൊണ്ട് ഡിനോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അത് രണ്ടും മാറിപ്പോകരുത്. ദ an ആൻഡ് n ആർ എൻറ്റയർലി ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ്. an is a term, the term in a particular position. n is a number of terms. Okay, then the question is given here the like this: d is equal to minus 3, an is equal to minus 5, n is equal to 18. Find the value of a. Then here first we use the equation an is equal, the question is based to ask related to term. We have only one equation, that one is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, a plus n minus 1 into d. The same equation we used to find is given an, n and d, then is possible to find the value of a. The same equation we used to find is given, if given an, a and n, then to find the value of d. The same equation we used to find is if given an, a and d, then for find the value of n. Okay, then this have this much application of the same equation an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That means for finding the last term, a particular position term, and to find the first term, and to find the common difference, and find the number of terms, we use only one equation, that one is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, ഒരു പർട്ടിക്കുലർ പൊസിഷനിലുള്ള ടേം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ, കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ, ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ, നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ടേംസ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ, മറ്റുള്ളവ തന്നിട്ട് ഇതിലേതെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരേ ഒരു ഇക്വേഷനേ ഉള്ളൂ, അതേതാണ് an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? Then how to be find? The direct one is very easy. Then we substitute one by one. What is an? An is equal to minus 5. Therefore minus 5 is equal to, what is a? We don't know, we need to find a, plus what is n? N is equal to 18 minus 1 into d. D is minus 3. Then minus 5 is equal to a plus 18 minus 1 17 into minus 3. Then minus 5 is equal to a plus 17 minus 17 into minus 3. 17 into minus 3 is minus 51. Okay, therefore a is equal to minus 5 minus 51. Correct? Minus 5 minus 51 is equal to minus 5 plus 51. Minus 1 minus 5 plus 51 is equal to 46. Correct? 46. So what is the first term of this AP? The first term of this AP is equal to 46. Okay, as like this is possible to find any one of this. Okay, a n or d, only the things is given to other. What are we needed here is given the all other value, then is possible to find any of this. Okay, I think you got it, the idea about this. അപ്പോൾ കൃത്യമായി ഓർക്കുക, ഈ എ എൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനോ എ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനോ മാത്രമല്ല, ഇതിൽ എൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനും ഡി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനും ഒക്കെ നമ്മൾ ഏത് ഇക്വേഷൻ തന്നെയാണ് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. ടേംസുമായി റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന ഏത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലും നമുക്കുള്ള ഒരേ ഒരു ഇക്വേഷനാണ് എ എൻ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു എ പ്ലസ് എൻ മൈനസ് 1 ഇൻറ്റു ഡി.